The internet has revolutionized how we live, work, and earn. Gone are the days of traditional 9-to-5 jobs being the only path to financial security. Today, the digital world offers a vast landscape of opportunities to make money online, opening doors for anyone with an internet connection and the willingness to learn. This essay serves as your guide to navigating this exciting new frontier. We'll delve into proven strategies and essential skills needed to succeed in the world of online income generation. Whether you're a creative soul, a tech enthusiast, or simply someone seeking financial independence, the internet holds a place for you. Get ready to explore the diverse avenues available, from freelancing and e-commerce to digital marketing and online trading. And we'll break down complex concepts into easily digestible pieces, providing practical examples and actionable advice to kickstart your online money-making journey. The digital gold rush is here, and the time to stake your claim is now. Let's dive in. Freelancing is a fantastic way to make money online by offering your skills and expertise to clients worldwide. It's a path that empowers you to be your own boss, set your own hours, and work from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether you excel at writing captivating content, designing eye-catching graphics, or building user-friendly websites, there's a freelance niche waiting for you. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect businesses and individuals with skilled freelancers across various domains. Let's say you have a knack for crafting compelling marketing copy. You can find businesses seeking freelance copywriters to create website content, social media posts, or even email campaigns, or perhaps you're a coding whiz. Businesses are constantly on the lookout for talented freelance web developers to build and maintain their online presence. The beauty of freelancing lies in its flexibility and earning potential. As you gain experience and build a strong portfolio, you can set your rates and choose projects that align with your interests and skills. E-commerce has exploded in recent years, and for good reason. It offers a low-barrier entry point for aspiring entrepreneurs to establish their own online stores and sell products directly to customers worldwide. Imagine having your own virtual storefront accessible 24/7, showcasing products you're passionate about. With e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy, setting up shop online has never been easier. You could source unique handmade crafts and sell them through Etsy, or partner with wholesalers to offer a curated selection of clothing items through your own Shopify store. The possibilities are endless. Building a successful e-commerce business requires careful planning, from identifying your target audience and sourcing high-quality products to crafting compelling product descriptions and providing exceptional customer service. But with dedication and the right strategies in place, e-commerce can be a lucrative and fulfilling online income stream. Dropshipping offers a unique twist to the e-commerce model, allowing you to sell products online without ever holding any inventory. It's a fantastic option for entrepreneurs who want to minimize upfront investment and logistical headaches. Here's how it works. You create an online store and list products from a dropshipping supplier. When a customer places an order, you forward the order details to your supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. This eliminates the need for you to handle inventory, packaging, or shipping, freeing up your time and resources to focus on marketing and customer acquisition. Platforms like AliExpress, Salehu, and Spocket connect dropshippers with a wide range of suppliers and products. Dropshipping comes with its own set of challenges, such as finding reliable suppliers and managing customer service inquiries. However, with careful research and planning, it can be a profitable and scalable way to make money online. Section 5, Online Trading, Navigating the Financial Markets. Online trading has democratized access to the financial markets, allowing individuals to buy and sell assets like stocks, cryptocurrencies, and forex from the comfort of their own homes. Platforms like eToro, Trading 212, and Robinhood provide user-friendly interfaces for beginners and experienced traders alike to invest in a wide range of financial instruments. Before diving into online trading, it's crucial to understand the risks involved. Financial markets can be volatile, and it's essential to conduct thorough research, start with small investments, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Consider exploring educational resources, demo accounts, and seeking guidance from financial advisors to gain a deeper understanding of trading strategies and risk management techniques. Section 6. Digital marketing. Mastering the art of visibility. In today's digital landscape, businesses rely heavily on online channels to reach their target audiences. This is where digital marketing comes in. It encompasses a range of strategies designed to promote brands, products, and services online. Digital marketers are in high demand, with businesses seeking their expertise in areas like search engine optimization or SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, and paid advertising. SEO focuses on improving a website's visibility in search engine results, pages, or SRPs, driving organic traffic and leads. Content marketing involves creating and sharing valuable content to attract and engage target audiences. Social media marketing leverages social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to connect with audiences and promote brands. Paid advertising involves running targeted ad campaigns on search engines and social media platforms to reach specific demographics and interests. Mastering digital marketing skills can open doors to freelance opportunities, in-house marketing roles, or even starting your own digital marketing agency. Section 7. Content creation, sharing your passion with the world. Content creation is a rewarding way to monetize your passions and expertise by sharing your knowledge and creativity with the world. Whether you're a wordsmith, a videographer, or a podcaster, there's an audience eager to consume engaging content. Blogging remains a popular avenue for sharing written content, with platforms like WordPress and Medium providing user-friendly interfaces for creating and publishing blog posts. Monetization strategies include display advertising, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products or services. Video content continues to dominate online platforms like YouTube and TikTok. Aspiring YouTubers can create engaging videos across various niches, from gaming and beauty to education and comedy, and monetize their content through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Podcasting has witnessed a surge in popularity, offering a platform for sharing audio content on a wide range of topics. Podcasters can generate income through sponsorships, listener donations, and selling their own products or services. Section 8. Virtual assistants becoming an indispensable remote asset. Virtual assistants provide remote administrative, technical, or creative support to clients worldwide, offering a flexible and in-demand way to make money online. Tasks can range from managing emails and scheduling appointments to creating social media content and providing customer service. The beauty of virtual assistants lies in its versatility. You can specialize in a particular niche or offer a range of services to cater to different client needs. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Virtual Assistant Jobs connect virtual assistants with potential clients. Building a strong online presence through a professional website or LinkedIn profile can also help you attract clients. Section 9. Online education, sharing your knowledge for profit. The e-learning industry has exploded in recent years, with individuals and businesses seeking accessible and convenient ways to learn new skills or enhance existing ones. This presents a lucrative opportunity for those with specialized knowledge or expertise to share their insights through online courses and workshops. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable make it easy to create and sell online courses on a wide range of topics, from coding and marketing to photography and personal development. You can also offer live webinars or workshops through platforms like Zoom or Google Meet, providing interactive learning experiences and personalized guidance. Creating valuable educational content and marketing your expertise effectively are key to success in the online education space. Section 10. Conclusion. Embracing the online income revolution. The digital age has ushered in an unprecedented era of online income opportunities, empowering individuals to break free from traditional work models and achieve financial independence. Whether you choose to dive into freelancing, e-commerce, digital marketing, or any of the other avenues discussed, the key is to identify your strengths, embrace lifelong learning, and adapt to the ever-evolving digital landscape. Remember, success in the online world requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. By staying curious, honing your skills, and networking with like-minded individuals, you can navigate the exciting world of online income generation and create a fulfilling and financially rewarding future for yourself.